Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to study abroad with Global Vision International, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Global Vision International. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your email and another for your password. Enter the email address associated with your account. Next, input your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have filled in your email and password, double-check for accuracy. After confirming your details, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. If you encounter an error, check your email and password for mistakes. Once logged in, you will have access to your dashboard. From there, you can navigate to various features and resources for study abroad. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with the available options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.